Why am I holding cornbread muffins? Because we're gonna turn it into what my family calls gotta have it, cornbread stuffing. Sweet cornbread, sausage, fresh herbs, and crunchy pecans make this stuffing amazing. Start by browning your sausage in a frying pan. You can use a mild sausage, spicy, or even one that's flavored with maple. Then once it's browned, put it aside in another bowl. And here's the awesome part. Now you don't even have to wash the pan. You just add in your chopped onion and celery and saute those up until they're nice and softened. Then you're gonna add in your chopped garlic, get that back on the heat until that's nice and fragrant and softened, and then finally take it off the heat to add in your fresh herbs and get that mixed in real well. Now pour that beautiful mixture right on top of your cubed cornbread pieces. Add in the sausage and the chopped pecans. Mix that around really well and then gradually add your chicken stock. You want to make sure to mix at the bottom of the bowl so that that chicken stock isn't pooling at the bottom. Get it mixed around real well until everything is nice and moist but not sopping wet. Grease your large casserole dish with some olive oil, getting it all over the bottom and sides, and then pour in your cornbread mixture. Next, you just pop it in the oven until it's nice and browned on top and it's ready to go. So here's the gotta have it cornbread stuffing out of the oven, and you can see how nice and browned it is on top. Only takes about 30 to 40 minutes and you're ready to dig in. You can find this recipe and many more at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.